And then the other question would be, a person wrote me a few weeks ago and said no one can hear him, no one can hear her. It was a woman on the mic. Okay, so two easy questions. If no one can hear you, is this button here, the DynaMike. That's just the volume of the mic that they hear you at on the other end. Okay, so I would leave this maybe at 75%. You know, and then if people start complaining, hey, you're coming over way too loud, then you might want to crank that down. DynaMike, you know, there's no way of knowing what that's doing just sitting here. You just have to call her out, you know, do a test and see if you can get someone to answer you back, see if you're coming over too strong. Now these days there's not a lot of people with CB radios, so I doubt if we'll get an answer. Testing, testing. How am I coming over out there? So I'm in a small town in the middle of nowhere. Probably the nearest CB is about 10 miles south on the freeway. Okay. Maybe if you got a buddy that has one, you can check it there. Or lots of times have one in the car or truck, and then have another one inside the house. Okay, so here's the manual. It says setting DynaMike. This controls the microphone sensitivity. How much is the microphone picking up? Outgoing audio level. So how strong is the microphone picking up your voice? Okay, so here it says initially set fully clockwise so that the maximum voice volume is available. DynaMike may have to be reduced in some conditions. You'll know it. People will tell you, hey, you're coming over way too loud.